If you are a small YouTuber, there is a high chance that you are making this one big mistake and it feels like it is the right thing to do. You see a big creator, you like their videos, so you try to copy them. Same style, same editing, same type of content, but your channel doesn't grow. In fact, sometimes it gets worse. In this video, I am going to show you why copying big YouTubers is actually slowing your growth and what you should be doing instead if you want real results. Let's be honest, we all do this. You open YouTube, you find a video with thousands or millions of views, and you think, if I do something like this, I will also grow. So you try to copy the title style, editing, thumbnail style, even the way they talk. But here is the problem. You are copying someone who is playing completely a different game. Big YouTubers, they don't grow because of that one video. They grow because they already have an audience. People already trust them. Algorithm already understands their content. So when they post, they get an instant push. But you are starting from zero. When big YouTubers upload a video, their subscribers click immediately. Their CTR goes up. The retention is already strong. YouTube says, this video is good, let's push it more. Now, compare that to a small creator. You upload a video, no one knows you, fewer people click, the algorithm is still testing you, and you have copied a video that depends on existing trust and audience. So, your video struggles, not because it's bad, but because it's not built for your level. Here is where most people go wrong. They don't just copy ideas, they copy complexity. Big YouTubers have expensive editing, fast cuts, sound effects, fancy storytelling. So you think, I need to do all this to grow. But what happens? You take too long to upload, you get tired, you over-edit, you lose consistency. Worst of all, message becomes weak. Learn from creators your size. This is powerful, but most people ignore it. Find creators who have 1,000 to 30,000 subscribers who are growing fast. Look at their titles, thumbnails, their topics, because these strategies are working right now for small channels. You don't need expensive gears, crazy editing, perfect lighting. What you need is clear message, strong ideas, and consistency. Videos that solve a problem will always beat complicated videos that confuse people. Focus on the value first. Ask yourself before posting, why would someone watch this? Not, does this look like a big YouTuber video? But, is this helpful? Is it interesting? Is this clear? That's what actually grows a channel. Been copying the big creators and not seeing results. Now you know why. You are not doing something wrong. You are using the wrong strategy for your level. Start simple. Focus on value. Learn from people closer to your stage. And most importantly, stop trying to look big. Start growing smart. Because on YouTube, it's not all about who you copy. It's about what actually works for you right now. If you found this helpful, make sure you watch my next video for more creator tips. See you in the next one. Bye.